Jairam Ramesh has tweeted targeting you, saying that the exit countdown has started.
No Assam Chief Minister has been targeted by national leadership so far. So it says that my national profile has gone up during this election. আজিলৈকে অসমৰ কোনো ৰাজনৈতিক নেতাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় নেতাই অসমত আহিলে কমেন্ট কৰিছিল, কিন্তু দিল্লীৰ প্ৰেছ কনফাৰেন্স অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰা নেশ্যনেল পলিটিকেল পাৰ্টিৰ স্পোক্স পাৰ্চনে অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীক বিৰুদ্ধে টুইট কৰা, all these has happened with me. These are, so I enjoy this newfound position of our state, that Assam is now in the profile. Assam has become so strong that Jairam Ramesh today, he is not tweeting about Yogi Adityanath, he is not tweeting about Eknath Shinde, he is not tweeting about Mohan Yadav, he is not tweeting about Bhajanlal Sharma, but he is tweeting about Himanta Biswa Sharma. So you can think about that, how my state Assam has grown in the national political landscape. So I would like to thank Jairam Ramesh for giving me a wide publicity that we won 11 seats.